What is up, YouTube? Marquez coming at you with another video. God, I almost forgot that even intro. I almost had to create a new intro because I haven't done a video in so long. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is because, and partially the reason I haven't been making videos is because the sneaker game just feels so different. The vibes are off and I don't know really what it is. Yeah, I mean, we just recently got a legendary shoe, a absolutely fire shoe, and nobody cared. I don't mean nobody cared because a lot of shoe heads still copped. Obviously, it's just a clean shoe, but nobody cared in terms of like the masses. I would say, like, I never thought there would be a day where I would see a black Cement 3 sit on the shelf, walk into my local Finish Line, JD Sports, and they're right there. So yeah, times have changed. Maybe it's that $235 they hit you with plus tax, but you know, I go to JD Sports, so I always get the $20 off coupon because I have like 100,000 reward points, so I always do the $20 off coupon. So mine was only about $214, but still a lot. Nike Air on the back, any Jordan with the Nike Air on the back, that just, it hits every time. I never get tired of it. It's just a beautiful shoe. Leather could have been better. I don't think this is the best black Cement 3 we've ever gotten. Obviously leather could be better. Doesn't look great. Take off your hang tags, and yeah, it's tough. Black Cement 3s sat. Legend Blue 11s are not gonna sit. It's still Legend Blue 11. Scratch that. Legend Blue 11s are about to drop next month. They're not gonna sit. It's just a nice looking shoe. I don't know, because obviously this is the 2014 pair, so I've had these for legit 10 years. Still clean. I don't wear them a lot, but I don't know if I need a new pair. I might just stay with these. Yeah, so I don't, my prediction, I don't think these will sit, but I will say, you know, your local raffle, like, it may be a little tough to get. I would say use all your outlets. If you need a pre-order, you can obviously hit up your boy, because I can get you your pair. You know, I'm the Jordan 11 December. I don't miss it. I never thought these would sit. So with that being said, you never know. But yeah, that's the release. That's the next release. And yeah, I may be back for another video. We may compare these to the 2024s, but you never know. But yeah, markkicks.com if you need to pre-order something. And I still have black Cement 3s. A lot of places do. Don't worry about it. But yeah, we may be back. Just stay tuned.